Good morning. We will start session 4 on chapter Practical Geometry, and this is the last session for this chapter. The last exercise. Now we have another exercise after this. So construct a quadrilateral deer where they have given us two angles. Now again I will tell you, so whenever you draw a quadrilateral, make sure that you have the angles in the base as well as the side one base should be there. So DE measures 4 cm, EA measures 5 cm, AR measures 4.5 cm, angle E measures 60 degree and angle E measures 60 degree and angle A measures 90 degree. Never mind. Okay. So, but here children, we don't have any measurement for this. We only have a base point. So what we will do here is now, first of all, we will take a base. What is the measurement of the base given? Measurement of the base given here is 4 cm. We will draw a base with 4 cm. So this is DE, 4 cm. At point E, you have to mark for 60 degree. Keep your protractor here with the line coinciding with this. Mark for 60. 90 is here, so 60 should come inside. 60 will come here. Draw a line. Okay, that line where you have drawn 60 degree, that measures 5 cm, right? So on your protractor, in your compass, mark for 5 cm and cut an arc of 5 cm from here. It comes here. So my arc is here. I got it. This point is A and this is 5 cm. From A to R, it is 90 degree. Take your protractor. Keep your protractor in such a way that the line of a point of a protractor coincides and the line coincides with this line AE. Mark 90 degree. You mark 90 degree, draw. Don't try to draw a straight line, children, just without marking 90 degree, because you will not understand, you might go wrong. Use a protractor only to mark. What is that measurement? 4.5. Mark for 4. This is 90. Okay. This is 60. 90 I have marked. That 90 degree measures 4.5. So cut it for 4.5. Keep your compass and cut it for 4.5. It cuts here. So this is the point R, 4.5 centimeter. Now, do you know the point of intersection of R, where it is? Join DR. So DEAR is the required quadrilateral. Very simple. How to do this? Right? Main thing is here, you should know the rough diagram very clearly what you have to draw. Let's see the next one. Quadrilateral true. Second one. Quadrilateral true. So TRUE, where TR is 3.5 centimeter and RU is 3 centimeter, UE is 4 centimeter, angle U is 120 degree and angle R is 75 degree. Isn't this the same construction what we have done just now for quadrilateral deer? Yes. Mark this for homework, children. This I am giving you for the homework. We'll quickly, only two constructions we had in this exercise. We'll quickly move to the last exercise of this chapter. Some special types of quadrilaterals. They are nothing but square, rectangle and rhombus. So the last exercise, where in the first one, draw a square read with RE is equal to 5.1 centimeter. READ. What is the base measurement, children? 5.5. Everything will be 5.5. Now we have done a rectangle like this. What we have to do? Take the base of 5.1 RE, that is 5.1 centimeter. Then with your protractor mark for 90 degrees here as well as here. Okay, draw straight lines, draw the lines here for 90 degree, whatever you have cut. Then take your compass again, take 5.1 because in a square all the sides are equal, the same measurement. Keep your compass, cut here, keep your compass, cut here. My arcs are here. I need to extend this line. So READ is the required square. Mark it like this. 5.1, 5.1, 5.1, 5.1 is the required square. Very simple. We'll move to the next one quickly. A rhombus whose diagonals are. Now, second one I will be marking for homework. This part, a bit of homework I will give you for practice. Now, what is the rhombus they have given? They have just told a rhombus. They have not even told what are the sides of the rhombus. So, we will consider ABCD as the rhombus, whose diagonals are. AC is 5.2 centimeter and this is 6.4 centimeter. We have already constructed this, right? How? We will take a base as 5.2, bisect the line. Once you bisect it, we know that diagonals bisect each other. So this part will be 3.2 we have to cut, 3.2 we have to cut, already done. This part of rhombus part is already done. So I think that you can mark it for a homework, children. Rhombus part I will give you for homework. Only which is not done, which is not repeated till now, I will be doing it. A rectangle with edges and sides 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. This is also done. Third one is rectangle. Because there is no point in repeating the same thing what I have done again and again. They have given us the edges and sides. So let me consider this as a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle where they have given us the edges and sides as 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So this also will be 4 centimeter. Now you know how to do this. We will draw a base of 5 centimeter. Then we will draw 90 degrees. That 90 degrees we cut it for 4 centimeter. Already done, right? Rectangle part we have already done. So take rectangle also for homework, children. Right? Already done part, it is not again the same. Square we had not done, so I had to do the square. Rectangle we have done the same type we have done in the exercise. Rhombus also the same type we have done in the exercise. Let's move to the next one, last one. Parallelogram, okay. Fourth one, a parallelogram OK with OK is equal to 5.5 centimeter and KA is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Is it unique? They have asked us. Unique means, is it a different type of a parallelogram? Can we construct this? Let us check. OKAY, where OK is 5.5 centimeter. Okay. KA is 4.2 centimeter. This both are equal. These both are equal. How many parameters are given here, children? Only 4 parameters are given. Can we construct a quadrilateral organ, that is a special type of a quadrilateral, that is parallelogram with only 4 parameters given? No, right? That is why they have asked us, is it unique? You will write yes. It is unique. A parallelogram cannot be constructed with only 5 parameters. So what they had to give here? They had to either mention a diagonal or a angle should have been given. Simple. It is unique because a parallelogram cannot be constructed with only 4 parameters. Minimum 5 parameters are required to construct. In other words, simple, you can write that the given data is insufficient to construct a parallelogram. That also can be your answer. That is why it is a unique. We cannot construct it. So there are some different types of worked examples also, children, where how they have constructed the quadrilaterals. I want you all to go through that, solve that. Any doubt in understanding or any doubt in constructing the different types of quadrilaterals, you can call and confirm once the videos is sent to you. So with that we complete practical geometry, where we understood to construct different types of quadrilateral, that is quadrilateral, parallelogram, rhombus, square and rectangle.